everyone, welcome to EliteEXPERTISE. I'm Dr. Saudamni Sinha, and today we have with us Ankush. Hi Ankush, welcome to EliteEXPERTISE and congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm feeling really good. Feeling really good. Thank you so much.
Okay, so what is your
Yeah.
educational background?
So I bachelor's in pharmacy from Bihani Pharmacy College. It's in my hometown, Srinagar, Rajasthan, in 22. And after that, I came to Australia for like my higher studies, and I started pursuing masters in public health from Western University. Yeah.
Okay, so why did you choose EliteEXPERTISE?
So actually, my friend referred me to Elite Expertise. He was my like classmate in Sydney University, and he referred me here. Yeah.
And why did you choose Australia?
There was not a specific reason for choosing Australia. Uh, I didn't choose Canada or like other countries like UK or America because I think I couldn't see like any hope, any future for the pharmacists there. Like I don't know about the countries much. So
So how did you manage your studies with your student life, like part-time job and everything, your assignments and everything?
I think it is quite difficult to manage all the things together. But I used to study after my work, like after my shift in the evening. I never attended any live lecture for like anytime, but I used to study after my work for 3 to 4 hours daily. Yeah.
So your hard work has finally paid off everything. You got your caps and you
Yeah,
got in
really.
Australia. Already in Australia, there are many people
Mhm.
struggling to get in Australia. You're already there.
Yeah,
So it has worked out very
yeah,
well. Everything is settled now, right?
yeah. I got my skill assessment to study as well.
Oh wow, that's great. And
Mhm.
now since you have been in EliteEXPERTISE, what is your experience with Elite?
I got the unlimited timing they're providing to prepare for the caps. Like there's no time limit to like they're extending the courses if you want. If you know if you don't want to give the exam, then you can sit for the next. You will be taught for the free like and the feeling like home they're giving and teaching us like from morning to evening and putting all the efforts by taking leaves from their work. That's really good. I like about that.
So in how many days did you complete your caps preparation?
So actually I joined Elite Expertise in like November 23 and I didn't got like my Indian pharmacy license at that time, so I could do my eligibility check with Pharmacy Council in Australia. So again, I studied that time like for 3 to 4 months, and again I stopped studying for like 2 3 months. I took a break, and again in like mid of this year, I started preparing again after getting my license from India.
Okay. And do you have anything for a future pharmacist? What would you like to tell them?
Just want to tell to be focused, do your 100%, and do whatever ma'am and sir are saying. That's enough to pass the OPRA exam. Yeah, that's enough.
Thank you so much, Ankush, and we hope that you become a completely registered pharmacist in Australia very soon. All the very best for
Yeah.
your future. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank